Hey there, everybody, and Merry Christmas. This is Pastor Padron here for you. And today I have a bag of Royal Comfort. This is a tobacco that is available through Arango Cigar Company. It's a mild aromatic made of red Virginias, softly toasted Cavendish, and a touch of spicy Perique. Gently mingled with notes of crisp fruit, casked whiskey, and earthy vanilla. This is a relatively new thing from them. It is a tobacco that has been brought back, I believe, from the past, and I thought I would open it up and tell you what I thought. So it comes in tins as well as in bulk. The bulk comes in 1 pound bags. It's a nice tobacco here, a little bit damp, but loads into the pipe nice. Let's see, let's get that back in there. It's very fruity, a little bit of booziness. Very sweet, almost like a little bit of brown sugar. You can almost like the Cavendish get picked out there. All right. It smells like a nice aromatic. Let's see how this lights up. I find a lot of aromatics have trouble lighting up because the toppings just make the tobacco so moist that it's hard to get going. After all, the standard rule of thumb is wet things don't burn, right? Let's light this up and see what we got. All right, wow, that lit up pretty easy. That's impressive. I'm getting some citrusy notes, definitely picking up the vanilla that was talked about on the package. There is a little bit of booziness to it. You can really taste the Cavendish. The red Virginia adds some depth to it. It's very nice, toasty, a little bit of stone fruit to it. Some nice bread notes. The further down into the bowl I get, the more I can kind of sense that little bit of Perique. The Perique seems to be presenting itself as that hint of raisin more than anything else. It's very smooth, it's very creamy. Very nice. It has a good mouthfeel to it. The room note is very pleasant. It's very sweet, almost like a toasted sweet marshmallow kind of room note. Hey. The retrohale is very mild. There's a tad of spice there, but it's more sweet and smooth and creamy than anything else. It's like kind of blowing out that sweet, creamy marshmallow aroma right out your nose. It's actually really, really nice. Normally, aromatics are not my thing. I'm more of a straight tobacco kind of guy. But every once in a while, I get the hankering for something sweet like this. And this is really, really nice. It's very pleasant. Toppings of vanilla and whiskey and fruit are certainly there, but they're not done over the top. And they are done in such a way as that the Cavendish, especially the sweetness of that, are brought out, and the Virginia and the Perique seem to be more supporting players. The Perique is really, really a hint of things in the background. But overall, this is very enjoyable. I'm impressed. Hey. Another thing that impressed me about this aromatic is that so far I have not had to relight it once. Wow. That is really impressive, especially given the fact that this has several different flavorings added to it. Royal Comfort. It's described as a mild aromatic. This is from, you can get this through Arango Cigar Company. It comes in tins and in bulk here at Twins. We're going to carry the bulk of this tobacco, and I'm excited about it. I think this is going to add something a little bit different from the normal routine of things. We got a lot of people who are hooked on vanillas, a lot of people who are hooked on cherries, a lot of people who are hooked on things like Autumn Evening, Lane BCA, Morning Blend from 4th Generation. Those are all great and popular aromatics that we have. I think this has a potential. It's nice, it's mild, but it's tasty. It's easy to pack, it's easy to light. It's got a pleasant room note, but it's a more complex mix than just a straight Cavendish. So I think that this has some potential here. If you haven't tried it, you might want to try some yourself. I think I'm going to enjoy this. I hope you have a great Christmas and safe Christmas, and I am going to finish this, get a cup of coffee, and get ready to start the day. See you guys soon. And that's not just blowing smoke.